Quick reading for January the 25th to the 26th, Aquarius. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, marami tayo ditong mga panahon na inintay, no? Actually, we ask the person, kailan ba ito mangyayari, no? It felt like somehow, meron tayong pangungulit dito. Yung pangungulit na yon, knowing you, Aquarius, kapag nangulit, talagang hindi mo titigilan, no? It felt like meron ditong mangyayari na, sige, ibibigay na, no? Not because napilitan, siguro, somehow, pero yung kakapaalala, baka nga, sinabi na ni person, oo nga, eto na yung time na, siguro ito na yung time na ibibigay ko talaga, no? Dapat lang. It's about time for me to give the commitment, either whether this is pagpapahiram, no? Either kung ikaw ay you're asking for a little help as well. It kind of make me feel na ito yung mga oras na pwede kang i-harvest mo, no? Itong iyong mga hiling dahil someone's wishes is going to come true. This is your quick reading, Aquarius, for January the 25th to the 26th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.